So here's how to verify your Discord account. So first open the browser and go to discord.com, and then make sure you log into your account. And now click on the user settings button in here, and then go to profile or my account first, and then make sure you verify your email by clicking edit and then send verification code. When you see verify email address window, send code and then log into your email. And you should receive a code from Discord, something like this. Now you should copy the code and paste it here, and then press next, and then click on something else, and then continue, and then done, and then wait for it. And if your email is already verified, you should see this message in here. You can simply close this. Now the email is verified, and we need to add a phone number, so you can simply click add and then choose your country code from here. For example, you can type your country name and input your phone number, and then click on send. Should be prompted to verify that you're not a bot, and then it should send a code to your phone. Now you'll need to simply type the code in here, and once you type the code, your account should be fully verified. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.